Hey everyone, Coach Jason here, back with another of our video training, and we are still on the topic of food preparation. Well, in fact, we're not on food preparation now. We are, do I need this food now? And that's the question we're going to be looking at. So here is the thing. The easiest way to think about this is eat according to your demands, right? So if I am an office worker, I am sitting at my desk 6 to 8 hours per day. Would I need as much energy as somebody who is working in the hot sun doing construction? The answer is no. And this is not going to be like a biology lesson, but let me give you guys a quick breakdown of the things that we eat. Most foods that we eat contain one or more of the three main macronutrients, and that is protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Now, all of these macronutrients have their purpose in the body and they are needed, right? So there is no bad macronutrient. There is only bad processing of those macronutrients. So protein, quickly, what protein does, protein helps to build and repair our muscles. Let's keep it simple. Carbohydrates is used to create energy, and fats is also a stored form of energy. It is also used in hormonal production. Let's just keep it simple. So if I am sitting at the desk all day, not exerting a lot of physical activity, which of these macronutrients do you think I would not need in high amounts? Obviously the carbohydrates, because I'm sitting at the desk, I would not need as much carbohydrates, right? Now, if I'm a construction worker, I'm working outside in the sun, I'm sweating a lot, then of course I'm going to need a lot more energy. The same goes for protein, the same goes for fats. So if you eat according to your purpose, then that is half your work done. So if you know you're very sedentary, you just need a moderate amount of these, right? If you are obviously a more active person, then you need a lot more. When you eat in reverse, so you are sedentary, but yet you are eating as if you're a construction worker, or you are a construction worker and you are eating as if you're sedentary, that is when your body normally walks out of balance and you have all sorts of things going wrong. So as we wrap this video up, think about your lifestyle, your daily lifestyle. What energy requirements are you using? Is your job a high energy job, a low energy job? And try to eat according to your purpose. Now, using the same principles, make sure that these foods come from whole food sources as much as possible so that you'll be getting the best nutrition. Make sure you prepare them in the right way so that when you eat them at the right time, you'll be getting the right results from it. Coach Jason, hope you guys enjoy these videos. I love making them. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to learn more of, and I'll gladly make those videos.